Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video, to hang out with me a little bit. I'm going to be sharing with you my recent current favorites, some stuff I just felt like sharing with you, and hopefully you can get some ideas. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. My first favorite is this cup. This is a tumbler from Target. It's by, I don't know if you can get it somewhere else, but it's by the brand Zac. And I think maybe you can order on the Zac website if they have one. I get mine at Target. They're $9.99. They're very oversized. I believe it's 30 ounces. And I drink my iced coffee out of here. So I love the 30 ouncer because it fits in a regular cup holder, but it gives you enough volume so you can put ice in there. So I can put ice in there and then also my iced coffee. You can do warm coffee in here as well. I love the color. This is like a rosy type color, and I have a lilac one as well. The lid is dishwasher safe. The tumbler is hand wash only, so that's the only downside because I'm a little lazy. Don't like to hand wash stuff. I like to pop it in the dishwasher, but it's worth it. So only $10. Like, tumblers can get expensive, and this one is very affordable. And this is the third one we've had. We also have a black one that my husband basically stole, so I had to buy a couple new ones for me. I do drink cold brew, and I can do a whole video on my cold brew, like how I make it from home. I make it from scratch. I grind the beans myself, and it's delicious. It's smooth. I drink cold brew. Cold brew is a favorite in the video, by the way, because it's less acidic than hot coffee, and it's just easier on my stomach, and I like it a lot. So yeah, I can do a whole video on YouTube about how I make cold brew. Let me know if you want to see that. But I also have a little tutorial on my Instagram. It's in my profile under my highlights. It says cold brew, so check that out, or I can make one here for YouTube now that I'm back. So in addition to drinking cold brew out of this cute big tumbler that's really affordable, are these straws, also from Target. It's basically, it has my lipstick all over it. It's a stainless steel straw. Fits perfectly in there. Has a little silicone tip on it. I don't think this is focusing very well. There you go. And yeah, it's just, they've been great. I think it was like $8 for a pack of maybe 9 or 10 straws. I just love this combo. Have my coffee in there. If you missed my last video, I'm basically in my husband's childhood room back in his hometown in Minnesota. But anyway, I make my own cold brew at home, but I didn't want to like have to make it when I was here. So when I travel, or when I go, basically when I come to Minnesota, this is the stuff that I get, and I just take a couple bottles of it and I drink it here, so I don't have to make my own cold brew. This is this, I think it's Sock cold brew, bold and smooth, unsweetened black. This does have some calories in it. It's like 15 calories for 12 ounces, which I prefer 0 calories. I don't like to drink my calories. I like to eat them instead. But this is actually really good. And then I didn't bring it down here. We're in the basement here. I didn't bring it down from the kitchen. I'll put a picture of the chai tea latte concentrate, 0 calories, sugar-free. I use that as a flavoring. So I do like cold brew with the chai tea latte, and it's like fall in a cold brew cup. You can have it all year round. It's delicious. My next favorite is Botox. I'm going to refer you again back to my last video, my coming back to YouTube video. I talked more about it there, but basically I got Cosmetic Botox. I got it to help with my migraines, but I'm not gonna lie, I love the look of it. It's more fresh face. Like my wrinkles, my forehead wrinkles were getting pretty, I was just showing a little bit of age. My crow's feet were pretty bad. My dad has really bad crow's feet, and so I'm glad to prevent those. I say prevent because when you have Botox, it basically paralyzes your muscles. And so, I'm not a doctor, but basically it paralyzes your muscles, and you don't make it softens basically. And so, yeah, this is what my Botox looks like. I don't really have 11 lines here anyway. I have like a horizontal, like a dash instead. But I think it's really helping with my migraines in addition to my migraine medication. So refer back to that video to learn more about that. Yeah, I love it. It looks amazing. Like makeup like I'm happy to put makeup on. There's not a lot of creases or crevices anymore. When I got my Botox, I also inquired about my sunspots and freckles, and you probably can't tell because I do have makeup on, but you can see this like dot here, sunspot, that's like right between my eyebrows. It just drives me crazy. I just hate how it looks there. And then I have a lot of I have freckles. I always have freckles, but sunspots kind of coming in. Even though I wear a hat, she recommended hydroquinone, which is like a skin lightener, and so I ended up getting this here. So this is the Obagi, I think I just butchered that, Obagi Nuderm Clear number 3 AM and PM Skin Bleaching Corrector Cream. Hydroquinone 4% RX or prescription only. It looks like that. And so I've only been using this for, I mean, a couple days, let's be honest. And it takes probably like 3 months to show your kind of fuller results. But I'll put a picture here of my face like the day I started using this, because I'm going to be doing before and after pictures, so I'll see how this works. But I've used hydroquinone years ago for some sunspots. I took care of them. Now I'm using it like all over my face because I have a lot of like skin damage from being an idiot when I was younger and using tanny beds and all that stuff. Even though I just started using this, it is a favorite because I'm very excited to see the results, and I know the hydroquinone works. I've never used the Obagi Nuderm, but it has like great reviews. A lot of people love it. So yeah, I just do that morning and night on clean skin. So with this product, the Obagi Nuderm, you do have to wear a sunscreen with it, which you should wear a sunscreen anyway. But the one I've been using is this Tinted Moisturizer that is by Glow Skin Beauty. Moisturizing tint, SPF 30. It looks like that. This is in the shade Fair. It says lightweight oil-free formula that provides moisture, SPF, sheer hint of color to softly even tone and enhance skin's radiance. And that's what it does. It makes your skin super dewy and glowy. Now, if you have oily skin, you probably won't like it. You might be a little too greasy feeling. It does say it's for combination skin. It's what I have on today as like my base or foundation. I don't have like an actual foundation on. I have under eye concealer and a little bit of powder. Translucent powder actually, which I'll show you because why not. It is the Cover FX. Mine's dirty because I had some little girls playing with it this morning when I was getting ready. The Perfect Pressed Powder. This is like an old favorite of mine, and I just love it. It does not make you look cakey. You can literally pack this stuff on and you will not look cakey. So that's what I have on today. I don't always set this, but if you are going to be wearing like a mask or anything, if you're going to go out or whatever, you might want to set it because it could transfer a little bit, to be quite honest. But I just love it for the SPF and the glow. It's beautiful. Like, I love Glow Skin Beauty products. I think they're highly underrated on YouTube anyway. Like, you don't see a lot of people talking about this brand, but I have quite a few products from this brand. They have great skincare. They're actually sold at my med spa that I go to for my Botox. This is the line of makeup and skincare they carry there. So anyway, I love that. Check out Glow Skin Beauty in general. What's my next favorite? Let's talk about this book. When I have time, I've been trying to read this book here. This is Little Fires Everywhere by Celeste NG. I'm not sure. Is that just her last name? I'm not sure, but it was recommended. It's Reese's Book Club recommendation. And you know, if, well, maybe you don't know, but Reese Witherspoon has her own like Instagram book page, and she recommends books, and they're always like amazing, on point, bomb books. This one is also on Hulu, so I'm going to finish the book and then I'm going to watch the Hulu series of this. I like it so far. I have a Target receipt as my bookmark. I'm about that far into it. I just got to find more time to continue reading it, so I recommend that book. Check it out. Watch the series. Do both. One of you guys on Instagram, I posted a picture of this one on Instagram on my stories. One of you guys said there's also a podcast related to that book, Little Fires Everywhere, so go check that out if you're interested. My next favorite is my activity tracker or smartwatch, which is this one here. This is the, what's it called, Fitbit Charge 3, and This one has rose gold, and then it has, this is the band that it came with. It's just like a bluish gray, and I really like it. I did do like a little poll, focus, a little poll or questionnaire type thing on Instagram that asked you guys like what smartwatch you would recommend, and literally most of you said an Apple Watch. I just can't spend the money on an Apple Watch. I don't need all the fancy things, bells and whistles that it does. This one was $99, and I like that you can purchase basically like any bands that you want. I did get a 3-pack of bands for like $7 on Amazon, so you can switch out the bands as needed, as you want to. I just like the color of this one that it came with. I think it's really cool. I like it primarily because I needed something to count my steps, and it does do your sleep. It does calories burned. I mean, it does a lot of other things, and I just like it. It's perfect for what I need for my basic watch needs, and it's cute. And yeah, I like it. So I wanted to shout that one out because if you're looking for like a step counter, if you want something with like a lot of bells and whistles, I'll obviously get an Apple Watch because I think those do like a lot more than the Fitbit does. This is the Charge 3. I don't know if I mentioned that. It is like, there is a newer model out, the Charge 4, that's more expensive, that has GPS. This doesn't have GPS. But that's my mini like watch review about this. I really like it. If you need something basic, you don't want to break the bank. I feel like I keep referring you guys to my Instagram, but that's where I've been posting, you know, like since I haven't been on YouTube. But if you have followed me on Instagram and watched some of my stories, you might know that I'm obsessed with tie-dye. I've been tie-dyeing the crap out of so many shirts for me, for my daughters, for my nanny, Taylor. We've been tie-dyeing like crazy. I brought a whole packing cube full of these tie-dye shirts because these are the shirts, like my pajamas basically. I just wear these as my pajama tops. They're so comfy. So what I do is I just get men's white v-neck t-shirts. This is one of the ones that I did, the swirl technique. And yeah, I just tie-dye them. There have been 2 brands of tie-dye, like the dye, that I've used. And I have like a whole highlight on my Instagram profile if you want to know like more in depth. But basically, I just want to shout out the 2 brands that I have used. I've used Tulip dye. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, maybe Joanne Fabric, or Rit dye, which I've ordered my Rit dye online just because all the stores I went to were like literally wiped. The shelves were wiped clean at Walmart and Target. And I think I prefer Rit dye, but go watch the highlights if you want to know more or ask questions about why. Leave your questions in there. I just don't want this to be like too long if you don't give 2 cents about tie-dye. I've been doing a lot of the swirl techniques, and also this one's inside out, but this is the crumple technique. And it's just been so fun. Like my 4-year-old JoJo, she's helped, like she's made her own tie-dye shirts. Like I'll get them rubber banded and everything, and she'll put the dye on. It's so cute. Yeah, I just love them. I can show you a couple more. This is one that I like a lot. I've just been, like, I just wear them with joggers, and I wear them to bed. Let's be honest, sometimes I wear them in the day and I wear them to bed too. Sometimes that happens. So yeah, tie-dye has been really fun. It's a fun activity you can do with your family, with your kids. I know some of you on Instagram have showed me your tie-dye projects, so thanks for sharing those with me. Those have been really fun to see. And yeah, let me know if you like tie-dye. Are you into it? Have you done it? My next favorite are gel nails, which is a long time favorite. I've been using the brand Madam Glam, and this is the color Magenta that I have on currently. I just love them. I don't know if I'll ever go back to regular polish. They just chip so easily, and these gels, you know, I can get up to 2 weeks out of them. It has been a learning curve to learn how to do it on myself, not make a huge mess, not get it on the cuticle or the skin, but I think I've gotten pretty good at it, if I do say so myself. So yeah, I've been using the brand Madam Glam. I think I still have a discount code with them. I'll leave it down below. I'll list all the stuff that I'm talking about in the video if there's like accompanying links to go with it. I just love gel nails, and I wanted to talk about that because I've been wearing them Like that's if I have nail polish on. It's probably gel nails that I did myself at home. Side note, I did go to the salon like a month or so ago because I needed to get my toes done because I can't do my own toes yet because I'm not that, because of my surgery basically. And I decided to get a manicure too. I liked how it turned out, but I was like, that's why I do my own nails at home. It's because I was there for so long. I was at the nail salon for like 2.5 hours and I was freaking bored out of my mind. You can't really be on your phone. You can't read a book because your hands, you know, they're doing your hands. So that's one other reason why I love doing my gel nails at home, because they last a long time. And then if you're interested, I just wanted to kind of talk about the Netflix shows I've been watching. I've been watching Working Moms on Netflix, and it's pretty funny. Even though I'm a stay-at-home mom, I find it really funny and relatable. So if you need something kind of funny and lighthearted and something that you can, if you're a mom, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a working mom, it's pretty funny and I recommend it. Also, season 10 of Shameless finally dropped on Netflix and I just love Shameless. I was so hesitant to watch it for so long, even though it was always recommended, like on my recommended videos. And I finally just watched it and I'm obsessed. It's raunchy, it's very indecent. What's the word? It can be kind of ghetto, I guess, at times, but I love it and I'm obsessed with it. So season 10 is their final season and it is finally on Netflix. So I'm on season 10 now and I'm gonna be really sad and miss those characters when it's over. So those are my what I've been watching. Let me know what you guys were watching on Netflix, because I'm gonna need something else to watch when Shameless is over. Yeah, so that, I guess, is my favorites. I think I got everything I wanted to talk to you guys about and share with you. So thank you, as always, for watching. Leave all your video requests down below. My camera just died as I was doing my outro, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and leave all your video requests and ideas. Like, let me know what you want to see on this channel, and check out my last video, like my coming back to YouTube question and answer video, if you haven't already. And just thank you so much for taking the time to hang out and listen to my favorites. Let me know your favorites as well so I can check out some new products. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It sounds so funny to say, but I'm back. Have a great day, guys. Bye.